Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Don't mind my face. I know it's glowy, and I got 1, 2, 3, 1 over here in my face. Look at my, don't mind my face, please. Everyone has acne, and mine was bad when I was 13. But so if you hear that sound, that's Nola, doing his privacy in the litter box. But I'm over here watching Annie, one of my favorite movies, and I'm about to show you guys little nighttime routine, little video, little short, little YouTube video of how I get ready, well, not get ready for bed, but how I get Nola ready for bed. And you already know, look at my bed, already ready to lay down. My spot is literally over there by the other side of the stairs, like these stairs right here. Over there is where I sleep, over there. And yeah, this is, don't mind the laundry, please don't mind the laundry. It is not my fault. I just don't know where to put anything up. So, But yeah, so I'm about to take you guys with me to, how I get my cat ready for bed. Nala. Hi, my big boy. Hi. Oh, oh. Okay, come here. How you doing? My baby. My Snooky Poo. What do you want? Are you hungry? I'm gonna feed you, okay? Oh, didn't he love his mommy? You already know. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and yeah, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Alright, so I'm in the kitchen. I am being very quiet because my family's asleep. So we are going to wash the... You know what? I'm just gonna bring you guys right over here. Oh, okay. I used Downy to clean his lovely pink bowl. And I know he's a boy, but you got to clean it like this. You can clean it however you want. Pull it up a little bit and get your water. Okay, there we go. I don't want my nail. It came off. Not my real nail, but the gel. Okay. Perfect. Yes. Say hello. Say hi. Aww. Okay. Oh my god. So I feed him this Sunshine brand Cat Cafe favorites. This is so good. Look at him. You want some? See, he wants some. Okay, let me give him some food. Y'all want my bun? It ain't perfect, but yeah. Oh, you guys can watch Annie if you guys want. It's not going to show clear, but you guys can still watch it. I love this movie. Guess what? I love this movie. I'm only feeding him a little bit. Now he got his food. He's gonna grub on that. He's gonna drink his water. He's gonna chill for the rest of the night. And I always feed my cat before bed because I don't want him to be like waking up hungry and then I be asleep, then I be in a deep sleep, then I don't feed him. But I basically feed him in the morning, sometimes at like 3, 4, 5, and then probably 7. No. I feed him at 3 a.m. or 5 a.m. and this is mainly every single day. And then I feed him at like 8 and then 12 and then feed him at dinner time. So yeah, this is a little nighttime routine. Okay, you guys can watch Annie while I put this back. See? It's on. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. She mean as hell. She's so mean. Yes. This is the fit for bed. Yes. Oh, I like that. I like when I did that. Wait. Like this. Okay. That's... I don't know why I did that, y'all. But yeah, look. Here comes the funny part.
No, thank you. I'm not looking for companionship. What's the thing?
Oh, that's blue.
No.
It's a green.
Hey, girl.
Hey, I got you something.
Oh, no, thanks. Those things are evil. They steal your private information and big business to spy on you and crush your soul.
Really?
Oh my gosh, I love this movie, y'all. I really do. Look at that. See, and I have Teletubbies on my wall right here. But Noah's eating. All of me eating. I'm gonna drink some water. Best water ever. So if you're having trouble sleeping at night, I recommend you to take the melatonin. It has 60 vegetarian gummies. So you can find, don't mind my nail, okay? You can find this at Kroger, Walmart, I think Publix. Yeah. But I use, so this, I'm going to say one of my bad stuff too, but I use this lavender body wash. And then I use this Power Stick Brazilian Mist. Smells so good. And I got this at Dollar Tree. And I also use this foot scrub. Yes, on my feet. What else I use? Oh, I also use Aquaphor. Yes. Yep, that's what I use. And I got some powder that my mom gave me. It smells so freaking good. And the other thing I wanted to show you guys is I got this vanilla cashmere candle and it smells so good. Y'all know I love lavender body wash, body spray, and then the candles, vanilla scent, cocoa butter body wash. It just smells so freaking good. But yeah, this is I'm so tired, you guys. Look at Annie. She is so freaking cute. And I love her so much. She is just a beautiful, encouraging girl. And yeah. Oh, okay. The stuff that I use in Nola's litter is this Vibrant Life Litter Box Freshness Booster Fresh Scent. And it smells so freaking good. I just changed his litter today. So probably about 2 hours ago. Did this double duty litter deodorizer. Smells so stinking good, like freaking good. I'm about to spread this all over my floor, so that when I wake up in the morning, it smells so good. And then I use this Fresh Step crystals, so good. It just smells so good. Nola, you done? Look at my boy. Here, his food. You like my socks? Whee! Like my socks. Okay. And now, what am I gonna do now? 'Cause I'm kind of tired. Oh, and I also got these headphones from Dollar Tree. They play it loud, like literally loud. Like when somebody calls your name, you can't even hear them. You can't even hear them. Okay, I'm gonna put you on a spot. I was gonna put you guys up here like this, cause look, you can see the whole bunk bed like that. Looks great. But let's see. I'm gonna put you guys. I don't even know where to put you guys at. Let's see. Okay, that don't work. I'm gonna have to set you guys here. Okay, there we go. Okay. This is how my night is, y'all. I love spraying this. And love putting it on the ground.
Okay, where are you passing
This literally smells so good. And I use this fabric spray. This fabric spray sprays so good it smells. Oh, you guys wanna see the lights?
You like those in towers? I have a question. I want to go downstairs and get some
What?
later. The tree is my dog.
I don't know if I can show you guys. It's alright. It's not gonna stay, but oh my goodness. Hang on. Hang on. And this is how my room looks at night. See, it looks so much better. Look at that. Look at that. Nala. Hey boy. Hey boy. But yeah, this is how it looks at night. Don't mind the wicked sign. I'll get a new one. But yeah, look at this. This is so awesome. I love this movie and I can't stop watching it. Look at her friends. That's Annie and her friends.
Things that make you go,
Gug gug.
Mr. Sachs, who are you wearing?
Armani.
Annie, who are you wearing? This is my friend Isabella's, and this I actually have found to wear.
Annie, how'd you like French toast for breakfast this morning?
Wait, how do you know that?
You tweeted it. I'm Annie for Reels. Started to a Twitter account. 1.2 million followers so far.
Get it? For reals. It's for reals. That's so funny. But I'm about to head to bed, y'all. I genuinely love you guys, and this is how I sleep, okay? It's so nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little nighttime routine video and seeing what I do with my cat how do I get my cat ready for bed. And this is a video of getting ready for bed with my cat. So I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh look at Nola. Nola, he wants to go in the window every time. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next. Oh my nails are glowing. That's weird. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Love you guys.